I left my house very early. I rushed to the market to get fabrics. So when it was about 8 o'clock, I was on my way out of the market. So I drove and I got to a traffic light. As lonely as I was looking for a companion. And I met this beautiful damsel by the traffic light. Then I asked her, it was red. The light was red. So I said, "Oh, how you doing? I like you. Can I have your number? I'll call you later on." Then she quickly gave her number to me. So when I left the traffic, I called her. I said, "Oh, I like you. Are you single?" She said, "No." She said, she has a boyfriend. I said, "Oh, okay. I'm looking for a single girl, not one that has a boyfriend." That evening, I was surprised she called me. And she said, "What happened to me?" She was being sincere. She told me she has a boyfriend. And I said, I wanted a single girl. And I asked, I said, "But you have a boyfriend. What else are you looking for?" She said, and sometimes, mm, if she wants to make her hair or get a pond or buy a weave-on, the boyfriend may not have money to give to her. Reason she wanted another boy. Hmm. And I was sincere and I said, "Oh, sorry, I can't date a girl that has a boyfriend." The reason I'm saying this, you have a girl.